Hi, this is Sheila with the Group at eXp Realty. Today we're going to talk about preparing your home for sale when you are a pet owner. There are four main things that you have to consider when you're preparing your home for sale. Number one are stains. Have your little friends left any stains around your home? You want to make sure you steam clean your carpets. Potentially you're going to need to replace your carpets because we want to make sure when the buyers come in that your home is fresh and do not have odors. You'd be shocked how many people have allergies to pets, and so we want to make sure as we're preparing your home for sale that there are no distractions or anything that could keep potential buyers from moving forward with your home. Number two, the thing that you want to do is make sure any damage that's been done by your pets has been taken care of. Could be your little friend has chewed on a windowsill or they have chewed on a back door, so we want to make sure to fix any damage. Number three, we want to make sure that the home smells good, so that way not only the stains and the damage is taken care of, but the smells are taken care of. We don't want people walking in your home and turning around and walking out and not even being willing to take a look at your home because of the smells. The other thing we want to do is take care of your backyard. Sometimes our friends dig up our yards and we wind up with holes all around our yards. So we want to make sure we take care of anything that's been done to the exterior of our property so that the buyers feel great about having their kids run through the yard to play in their backyard and prepare the yard for that. The other thing that we want to do is be ready for showings. So when buyers come to look at your home, you want to have your pets crated, you want to have your pets removed, make sure that all the bowls are put away so that they can't even tell that there is a pet in the home, and that helps us as we're preparing your home for sale. Thank you so much for watching today. These were my tips on how to prepare your home if you are a pet owner. Have a great day. If you're interested in buying a home, click here and you'll be able to search through our MLS for all the properties that are currently active. If you're interested in selling your home, click here and you'll be able to see a market evaluation of what the worth or value of your property currently is.